Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So it is month 2 in the Birthstone series that I'm doing here on my channel. This month of February, the stone is amethyst, really pretty. So I got inspired by a picture I seen. It was like a geode with the purple on the top and then the white, like more crystal color on the bottom. So I kind of try to mimic that with my eye look today, tossed on some lashes and some lower lashes. I really like how it turned out. Please go ahead and continue watching if you want to see how I got this look. Thank you. So my eyes are primed and I am ready to go. So this month's birthstone is amethyst. And I found this really cute picture of like a geode with the silver base and then the purple top that was so cute. I'll insert it somewhere. And that really inspired me when really I had this whole other idea planned, which I can probably do that another time, but I just thought it was just so cute. And the purple that I have chose that I really like is called Swag right here, out of the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. It's just so pretty. Let's swatch it. Just a really pretty purple. I'm just kind of thinking purple all over the lid and a burst of silver for that like kind of white crystally bottom of the stone. So let's see how this works out. So gonna just start buffing that onto the lid, or packing it onto the lid a little. Actually, no, hold on. Well, yeah. Why am I so confused? We'll just lightly start placing the color because I want this like up in my brow bone as well. I'm just chucking this on like kind of sloppily, I realize. I feel a little rusty. Like, so I did make some Valentine's videos, or Valentine's Day videos, and what happened was it just snuck up on me so quick. I started a new, not really a new job, but a new position where I work, and so it's like a different shift, and Monday through Friday, which hasn't really been what I've been doing. And so I was busy training for that, and I don't know, I just I missed it. So that's why I haven't been posting videos, because I've just been kind of busy doing that and then just trying to make it work with the new schedule, which I think should be fine. We'll see. But I definitely missed this, like, I don't know, it's weird. But then I feel rusty because I haven't like sat down for a while. Yeah. It's like very, I don't know. I really like this. My husband told me I could like save my Valentine's videos for next year. I was like, kind of a great idea. We'll see. So I'm gonna try to remember to save that, because I don't even know that I'm trying to think, I don't think they were really made, well, it doesn't even matter if they're made with like a new palette. There's nothing wrong with like using what you have, right? Which I think we all like could do a little bit more of. Getting a little far away. All right, so I'm gonna toss some on this other eye and then go from there. I had a lint ball in my brush. Like, why? Nope. Hi, Smeagol. So I'm gonna take the shade Electric right here. It's a pink, and just kind of work that in towards the front. I don't know if it's really picking up, but I like how it looks. Just gives a little bit of brightness right in here. Do I want to? I might hit that over just the brow bone area as well. Using the same little domed brush, I'm gonna take the original purple color and put it under my lower lash line. And I think I'm really gonna try to smoke that out. I always look down as I'm finishing my set. See, as I'm finished. Why is it such a habit? Dumb. I'm gonna dip into that pink again and put it right towards the front, just using the same brush. So I'm gonna take this clean, fluffy brush and just smoke that out. Little bit of fallout, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna jump into my Morphe 35i Fantasy palette, Icy Fantasy palette. And I'm gonna take this silver right here and start kind of working that on the inner corner. Cute, but not like showing up. So I'm gonna dip into this, it's a pressed glitter right here, and see what I can do with that. That looks like on the finger. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so I love how this looks. So I am gonna line my waterline with black and put on some lashes, and I'm gonna try these red cherry lashes here. Oh, that's kind of creepy. They're made out of human hair. I don't know how I feel about that. but it's the lashes I pulled out. Whatever, so I'm gonna, yeah, put the black in my waterline and toss on my human hair lashes. Okay, so I decided that this look needed a lower lash, and I'm loving it. I don't know that I've ever done a lower lash, and if I have, it's been really, really long. I just decided to repurpose the lashes that I trimmed down and just toss them down here for fun, because that is what this series is about. And I just put on a new lip because whatever. Why not? So yeah, I am so excited for how this turned out. I hope this inspires you to maybe play in color and to challenge yourself and to just have fun. I love the purple eyes. I really, really, really love the purple eyes. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. It really helps me out, and I'll see you on the next, I'll see you next time. All right, have a good day. Bye.